Okay, David has 16 dimes and quarters. Okay. Colin has twice as many dimes and a third as many quarters as David. They both have the same amount of money. What coins does each boy have? Let's let Q be the number of quarters. Okay, similarly, let's let D be the number of dimes. Okay. So initially, David, Q plus D, they are telling us we have 16 such coins. And Colin has twice as many dimes, so 2D, and only a third as many quarters. So we have to get the monetary amount of a third of a quarter and twice as many dimes. So whatever quarters you have, the actual monetary amount in cents, we can calculate by multiplying the number of total quarters you have and times it by 25 cents. And this one times it by 10 cents. If you add this together, we get the total amount of money in cents. Now this will equal to, okay, the total amount of money, for the amount of coins that David has, which is again 25Q plus 10D. They have to equal to each other. By using this fact here, we can isolate D. So D is actually 16, right? Subtract number of quarters. Okay, so this is 25 over 3, Q, 20. D, I'm going to replace that with 16 minus Q. D with 16 minus Q. Now we only have one unknown and we can solve for this. Okay, so let's first get rid of those 3. Multiply everything by 3. Okay, so you have 25Q. Let's expand this now. You get 60 times by 16 minus 60Q. 75Q plus 30 times by 16 minus 30Q. Okay, and if you collect 25 and minus 60, you get minus 35Q. And 75 minus 30 is 45Q. Okay, and let's bring this to the right side. Adding both sides by 35 will give you 80Q. And let's bring this whole thing without multiplying it in. Okay. Okay. Here, the fastest way to do this is recognize that this is 60, 16, and this is 30, 16. So really we have 30, 16, no? 60 minus 30 of 16. Okay, and then I'm still not going to multiply this. I'm going to divide both sides by 10 to get 3 times by 16 is equal to 8Q. And then you can divide both sides by 8 to get 2. So Q is equal to 6. Okay, so if Q is 6, since the combined sum was 16, dime is 10. 6 quarters, 10 dimes.